Welcome to this stunning home located in the highly desired Ivory Crossing community, located just a stone's throw from dining, shopping, and entertainment at the district.
This house is set up for outdoor entertaining with a hot tub, pergola, fire pit, sport court, and basketball. It's just a stone's throw away from the community amenities.
This community not only has a clubhouse that you can reserve for events, but there's playgrounds, parks, and even a pool for the summertime. But the best part is the house, so let's go back and take a look.
The main floor of this home has a private office and several gathering spaces like a sitting room and a wood-burning fireplace and a formal dining room. The large kitchen with a gas stovetop leads into another dining space and a large family room. A beautiful gas fireplace with built-ins makes this space perfect to host all of your guests.
The upstairs features a large primary suite with a spa-like bathroom and large double-sided his and hers closet. You'll also find 3 additional bedrooms for a total of 4 bedrooms on the same floor.
Downstairs, you'll find even more gathering space, so whether you want to work out or watch a movie, you're going to love hanging out downstairs.
This home is all about lifestyle. Reach out today to find out what living here is all about.